Hello and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. We'll speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and NASDAQ 100. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. So what we can see here is that we have a breakout on the daily time frame of this tight consolidation. So this is quite a good sign for the further downside movement. And from my perspective, you can still see the hourly is on the bear flag this morning. So there is a chance for the lower prices, and I see potential for the drop towards 1.0770 mark or even 1.0740 mark. On the Bitcoin market, so we had like one up day, like 3 days ago, and no follow through. Actually, we have a free bar balance, so there is a chance for the market to trade lower. There was also rejection of the all-time high and the key resistance around the 73,000 mark. So from my perspective, there is a chance for lower prices on the Bitcoin and minimum downside movement towards the 67,600 mark, or maybe even towards the 65,000 mark. On the dollar index, we can see that we had rejection. The daily time frame is just around this 10 and 20-day moving average. But the most important thing here is that we have a breakout of this 4-day consolidation. And this is quite a good sign for the further rally. And I see the next upside objective on the dollar index around 105.43. And then we have 105.72 mark. So this is basically, we have a swing highs in the daily time frame around that, those levels. On the gold market, we have quite a big sell-off. So I learned about this rejection and no follow through around the all-time high, around 24.50 mark, and there was quite a big pin bar. So this was a natural reaction towards the 20-day moving average. So here I see potential for the further drop, and short term I see potential for the drop towards 2,000, let's say 2,300 or even 2,280 mark. Short-term speaking, hourly is pretty much sellers are in control, and I don't see any sign of reversals to the upside. On the crude oil, we can see that market is just on the support of this consolidation. If we see the breakout of the pin bar low at 70, the market can break 76.80 and hold below. There will be a chance for a further drop, and we have the key weekly levels around 73 mark and then 68.20 mark. So pay attention for this tight consolidation on the weekly and on the daily time frame. And on the NASDAQ, we are still pretty much extended. So we didn't have a single down day with a lower low almost in the whole cycle in the last 20 days. So pretty extended market, and around this kind of extension and 4 to 5 weeks in a row trading upside, there is always chance for a sell-off. And for the market, at least to correct towards the rising 10 days, so 18,500, 18,300 mark. We still don't see any confirmation for that. On hourly, we need to change the structure, but the risk to the upside at this point around this extension is pretty high from my perspective. So I would like to see some kind of change in the behavior in the intra-frames that can be, for example, the 5-minute where we change behavior here. You can see that market held this 10, 20, and 50, and now it seems like we're starting to see the change in behavior in those intra frames, and we'll see. But from my perspective, there's still a chance for a sell-off on the NASDAQ 100. So that will be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.